In this video, we'll be building a new exciting AI project, a personal AI assistant built with n8n. Meet Angie, your new personal AI assistant on Telegram. She's here to simplify your life and boost your productivity. Through Telegram, she can summarize your daily emails, look up your calendar entries, remind you of upcoming tasks on your to-do list, find and retrieve your contacts, and she can interact with you both with voice or text. Building this personal AI assistant is not too complex. Let's take a look at this no-code workflow. We're going to have something to process the Telegram requests, both voice and text, convert it to text, and then have the assistant be enabled with tools that get email, get calendar entries, get tasks, and get contacts, and then return the result to Telegram. So let's see this in action with a demo. Please summarize my emails for today. What are some upcoming tasks? What's the contact information for Joe Tanner? All right, let's go ahead and walk through this build. So on the far left here, we will see a Telegram trigger. So this is where incoming events from Telegram gets connected to our workflow. So in this case, we're listening to just the message event. When the message event comes in, we're going to process it to see whether or not it's voice or text. And if it's voice, we're going to get the voice file, and then we're going to then call a OpenAI API to transcribe the audio into text, and then we get to pass that information to our AI assistant here. Now, if it's text, then it just bypasses the speech to text and getting the voice file and go directly to feeding this request to Angie, our AI assistant. Now, let's open up this node. So this is just a tools agent, and we've just added a few things to make it a little easy for us to do this project. So we give it today's date, and then the AI agent, we've telling it some things about filtering of promotional emails, including what to include in the email summary, and where to get information. So for example, the tasks, which tool to get the task from. And then for the calendar entry, the same thing, and then just giving some additional information there. And so now the heart of this build is really the tools. And this is where n8n makes it really easy. So for example, let's start with the get email. So this is a tool that we can just insert. So if you go into the tools section here, there's a set of pre-built ones here. So in this case, we're just using email, the Gmail one. So we're getting the get many. So we're going to get many emails. We're going to filter through inbox and unread only. And then this is something that we need to walk through a little bit here. So there is this $ from AI. So what will happen here is, what we're saying here is that this field, the received after date, this field received after, we're going to get it from the AI. So we're going to tell the AI to please fill in something called date. And this date will be described like this. So the date after which to fetch the messages in this format. So it's going to figure out what today's date is, and then it's going to put it into this format, which is what this expects. And then this is the parameter that we get from the AI, and then it'll get inserted into received after. So this is important because this is how we filter the messages, right? So this from AI is a key thing. So we've got this tool, and then that is our get email. Get calendar is set very similarly. So again, we go into the tools here, and these tools, there is a calendar tool here. And then in a similar way, this is the calendar in which we are pulling the information from. And then again, this is similar to what we did before with a Gmail. So this from AI as well. This will give us the right information from the AI, which date to put into this field based on the conversation that the AI is having with the user. these two tools, tasks and contacts, I'm using a open source tool called Baserow. So this is just an open source equivalent of a very popular tool called Airtable. And I'll give you an example of the type of things you can do with this. So this is a database that you can put uh, tables within. So it's very friendly. So in this case, I have a personal task manager database that has tasks and contacts and other tables in here. So in here, this is where I put my to-do list with the priorities. So I call Joe Tanner, update business development, look for headphones, and then the contacts. So these are the various contacts in my list with the phone number and email address, right? So that's how I'm getting information from tasks, and setting up the credentials is actually really easy, right? So you use your username and then supply the password that you log into this uh, to this baserow.io. And then finally, what I do at the end of this flow is then just to send it out to Telegram. So in this Telegram, I'm getting the message ID from the trigger node, and then I'm putting the text from the AI agent. And that's it.